Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use your phone to record YouTube videos. Here are some steps to use your phone to record YouTube videos. First things first is to plan your content. Write a script or outline for your video topic. Clean your camera lens. Wipe the lens to ensure a clear recording. Set up good lighting. Use natural light or a ring light for better video quality. Choose a quiet location. Minimize background noise for clear audio. Stabilize your phone. Use a tripod or place it on a steady surface. So now, open the camera app. Then set it to video mode and choose the highest resolution, preferably 1080p, 4K, or 2K. Record horizontally. For YouTube, landscape orientation is the best. Speak clearly and engage. Look at the camera. Speak confidently and stay on the topic. Lastly, edit before uploading. Use editing apps like CapCut, InShot, or Adobe Premiere Rush to edit, add audio, add text, effects, and etc. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.